Hi everyone, in this video we're going to look at substitution. We'll go through the definition and then look at 3 different examples. Substitution involves the process of swapping an algebraic pronumeral with a value. So we'll use that definition now and move on to solve those problems. In our first example here, we need to solve the equation x equals, in the numerator, negative brackets y squared plus y, close brackets, all over 5 for x if y equals 4. So what I suggest you do for these problems is pause the video and attempt to solve them yourself before watching the solution. Okay, so with these, what I need to do, I'm going to rewrite the equation. Now what I'm going to do is put the 4 in place of y, and then simplify. So that's going to be 16 plus 4 all over 5. So again, negative 20 over 5. And when I simplify that, that will equal negative 4. See, when I'm working these out, I try and keep my equal signs below each other as I'm working down, just so it's easy for me to express my work in and not to get confused with that process. Let's move on and have a look at example 2 now. In example 2, if m equals 2p minus 5 and m is 13, what is the value of p? Okay, so this one we're working backwards a little bit. So I'm going to substitute the value in, rewrite my equation. So m is 13, so then we have 2p minus 5. Okay, so we've got an equation now. So we need to undo this. I need to move that minus 5 to the other side. I need to do the inverse. So minus 5, the opposite is plus 5. That will give me 18 is equal to 2p. 2p, that means 2 multiplied by p. So now I need to do the inverse, which is to divide by 2. So therefore 9 equals p, or I can rewrite that the other way, p equals 9. So sometimes with these, you may substitute a value in, and then you need to undo the equation to solve. In our example 3 here, the number of people in a town is given by n equals 1000, brackets 2.1 to the power of t, close brackets, where n is the number of people and t is the time in years. What is the population of the town after 5 years? Okay, so I'm going to underline a few things in there. There's my equation. Okay, I need to find after 5 years. N is the number of people and t is the time. So what I need to do is substitute that 5 in for t. So 1000, 2.1 to the power of 5. And if I substitute that into my calculator, that's going to approximately equal 40,841. So the population after 5 years will approximately be 40,841.